Mr. Zach, we're the Coastal Cooperative Bright Ideas Prize Patrol.
Wow. Awesome.
Mr. Zachry,
Yes, sir.
I understand that you applied for a Bright Ideas
Yes, sir.
grant
Yes, sir.
on making your own CNC machine. Now,
Yes, sir. A CNC machine's expensive.
Yes.
Well, this is a kit where it's all made out of plywood.
Okay.
And it's already been like laser cut. And basically the idea is that rather than the kids just using a machine, you don't learn anything from that. But what you really learn from is building it. They have to build it, program the code,
Okay.
calibrate. I mean, oh my gosh, they're gonna hate this project because they're gonna learn so much from it. After they build it, they can design objects in our 3D software that we use in the engineering class.
Okay.
And they can build things that we can use all over the school. And then we also, all these guys in statistics, they don't know it yet, but this class is a statistical reasoning class. So they are actually going to be analyzing a lot of data that we generate with the CNC machine. So it's really going to work along levels of every one of my classes.